In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of ClickUp. If you need to safely sign out of your ClickUp account, this process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through how to log out from your current session first, and then I'll also show you how to sign out of all sessions across all devices and browsers if you need that extra security. To begin, open ClickUp and make sure you're already signed in to your account. This is important, because the logout options are only available once you're inside your workspace. If ClickUp is already open in your browser or desktop app, you're ready to move on. Next, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click your personal avatar. This opens your account menu, where you'll find options related to your profile and settings. If you don't see it right away, take a second to scan the top right area carefully, since that's where ClickUp places your account controls. Once the account menu appears, scroll down until you find the Logout option. Click it to sign out of your current ClickUp session. After a moment, ClickUp should return you to the login screen. That's the easiest way to confirm that you've successfully signed out. If you see the sign-in page, then your account is no longer active on that device or browser session. If your goal is simply to log out on the device you're currently using, then you're all done at this point. However, if you want to sign out everywhere, such as on other browsers, tablets, mobile devices or computers where your account may still be active, ClickUp also gives you a way to do that. Start again by clicking your personal avatar in the upper right corner. Then choose Settings from the menu. Inside Settings, scroll down until you reach the Danger Zone section. In that area, select Log out of all sessions. This option will sign you out of every active ClickUp session linked to your account, not just the one you're currently using. That can be especially useful if you signed in on a shared device, switched computers, or just want to improve account security. After that, ClickUp will end your active sessions across all devices and browsers. Just keep in mind that if you do this, you'll need to sign back in again, wherever you still want to use the platform. And that's it. You now know how to log out of ClickUp, whether you want to sign out on one device or everywhere at once. Thanks for watching.